cool. Sorry, can you?
Yeah,
would you
yeah,
like to
okay.
readjust that? Sorry,
That's
just
okay.
positioning there.
You wanna see it?
No, just
okay.
for yourself.
All right. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Kia ora and good morning everyone. It's Munib from Social Driving Academy, and today I have Leeja here with me for a full mock driving test. Good morning, Leeja.
Good morning, Munib.
So you're on your full conditional license and you're getting ready for your full license test.
Yeah, that's
and I believe you're booked in for that as well, right?
Yeah, that's
cool. And you've had your license since 2017, your full conditional?
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's
so that's about a good 5 years or so, even a little bit longer. What sort of driving have you been doing so far?
Just with supervised drivings for the small, the pocket roads and the pocket roads.
Okay, cool. So like from home to work and work to home, that's